If you're after a wig that mimics your natural hair, you have come to the right place. This WOWAFRICAN kinky straight wig is everything. It looks just like Afro-Caribbean hair and it's soft and smooth to the touch. If you want to see how I installed this wig to make it look like it is growing from my scalp, impeccable lace, impeccable. Make sure you keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good and I hope you're well. So today's video is going to be an install and style of this gorgeous kinky straight unit from WOWAFRICAN. I absolutely love their units and most especially their kinky straight hair. They never fail when it comes to kinky straight hair. This hair is gorgeous. I'll turn around and show you the back. It's giving everything it needs to give. So this is the box that it comes in. It comes with loads of goodies in the box to help you install your wig, the wig cap, the comb, literally everything that you need to help get this look. It does come a lot kinkier than this, but I straightened it because I prefer a straighter kinky look. But yeah, absolutely love this look and love this hair. If you want to see how I did it, make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's get into this lace. Absolutely impeccable, undetected lace. The lace comes bleached, it comes plucked, and the wig also comes with an elastic band and comb, so you don't necessarily have to wear it with glue. You can definitely wear this wig glueless. The hair is soft, very, very soft to the touch, and the hairline is so realistic. Absolutely love it. All this being done for me meant that I didn't have to do a lot when it came to customizing this wig. I started off with cutting off the ear tabs so it fits naturally to my head. Once that was done, I adjusted it to see how it's gonna look, and I began by wiping off the makeup on my forehead just to get that oil residue away so we can have a clean base to work with. This wig is so easy to work with, especially the lace. I love the fact that the lace is so thin, so it means that you're not faffing around and messing around with it. And the hairline is just so realistic. Look at that hairline, guys. I pushed back the wig just to start my install, and as I said, I didn't want any oil residue on the lace, so I started off by wiping off the makeup from my forehead. Today we're going to be working with 𝐿𝐵𝐒. 𝐿𝐵𝐻e is a wig spray that's actually really good. I don't normally use 𝐿𝐵𝐻e, but I found that the stay is really good. And plus, what I like most about it is that you can literally take off your wig at the end of the night. So all you have to do is wet it with some water and the wig slips right off. I prefer using spray adhesives rather than glue. That's just my preference. But if you're someone who doesn't like to sleep in your wigs, or you like to have the ability to take off your wig as you please, I would definitely recommend using spray adhesive. If you want your wig to last a lot longer than a day or two, definitely go for the glue. So of course we're just spraying that on the hairline and using the blow dryer on cool heat to make sure that's staying on our hairline. Once that's completely on our hairline, we're going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace. As I said, the lace is so thin, which means it's very easy to work with, and it also means that it's very undetectable once we do the cleanup process. So when I'm talking about the cleanup process, after I've cut the lace, I go ahead to see if there's any extra lace on the hairline that needs to go. After that's done, I make sure to wipe it down to get rid of the white cast, and also to get rid of the white cast, I go over the hairline with my 𝐿𝐵𝐻e spray again and my blow dryer, just to make sure those little flappy bits in the front are completely down. Okay, now that my lace is on, I'm gonna use some makeup to hide that cast. I'm using my contour stick in a dark shade to put on the hairline, and to take away from the shine, I also go over the top of it with my makeup powder. So doing this step just gives you an extra realistic look to your wig. It makes it look like it's growing from your scalp, and it also helps that the lace, like I said, is super thin and undetectable, so it makes the lace look so real. I'm then gonna start parting the wig and begin to style. I'm using my hot comb to flatten out the top of the wig, just to give me a really flat and seamless look. Okay, so we're getting there, guys. Once that is done, I'm gonna go over it again, just to make sure it's so flat. I like my wigs to look so flat. I hate that wiggy, big, puffy look. So we're gonna go over it again to make sure it's super flat. And guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't use a lot of product on the hair because I wanted it to look so natural. I find that once you use a lot of product on the hair, it weighs down the hair and gives it that weighed down, crunchy look, and I don't like that. Less product means the hair is more flowy and a lot more soft as well. So this is the final look, guys. This is how the wig came out. It looks gorgeous. It literally looks like it could be my hair. It's so soft and smooth, and I love the fact that it's not super kinky, but if you do want that super kinky look, all you have to do is wet it and the hair would go back to its natural state. So thank you so much to WOWAFRICAN for this wig. It's gorgeous. I'm going to leave a direct link to this exact wig down below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you soon in another one. Bye guys. Mwah.